The practical examination dates are divided into 3 periods. Period 1, 2 and 3. So we have right now we have the dates for period 1, which will be held between January 2025 to May 2025. The application window for period 1 is between 16 to 25 October 2024, means it has passed now. And the date selection period will be or is between 28 to 30 October 2024, means now you won't be able to select your dates. For period 2 in 2025 for practical examination, the application window will be 12 to 21 February 2025, and you can select your dates for examination between 24 to 26 February 2025. Examination dates you can choose between in the month for May, June, July and August 2025. For period 3, the examination dates will be in September to December 2025, and the application window is 18 to 27 June 2025, and you can select the dates between 30 June to 2nd July 2025. The cost of the Australian Dental Council practical examination for 2025 will be 4,775 Australian dollar. Time frame for practical examination is 4 to 7 months from application period to result release, which is approximately.